Love this one, actually. This one's a very good reminder. So one of the reasons why we don't get the foreclosure market right, you hear, oh, foreclosures are doubling, 50% more foreclosures than we've seen. Well, when you have zero, 50% of that is very little. There's not a lot. And one of the major reasons that you're seeing that now is most people own their home prior to 05, 06, 07, 08, right? Or they bought their house after that. And after that, there were laws that came out. And those laws came out were to protect the consumers from being able to qualify for buying a property. So the reality of it is everybody who owns a home right now in some avenue, right, within reason, had to do some sort of underwriting. Income documents, asset documentation, credit documentation, employment documentation, the list goes on and on and on. So the guidelines are extremely tight, and that's for a good reason, to make sure we don't have 07, 08 happen again. So you can see in this slide, the guidelines have been extremely tight from back then, and that's why we're not gonna see a massive foreclosure market. Between that and unemployment rate of 3.6%, there's just not enough foreclosures out there, right? It's just not gonna happen. And when they are out there, they're not giving them away because there's not enough, right? They're gonna do what's called a BPO, which is a buyer broker opinion of the value, right? They're gonna basically get an appraised, they're gonna put it on the market, they're gonna sell it for basically market value because there's no inventory out there. If you're a bank, you have to give it away. The only reason why banks gave them away in 07, 08 was because they had to, because they had so many on their books. So lots of different options out there for you. But as always, I just wanna make sure you can kind of see these things. This is a great reminder of why I'm gonna bring the facts, I'm gonna bring the data, you just gotta bring the decision.